Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Brad over here at Chattanooga Fish and Fun. Here at Fish and Fun, we sell Ranger boats and Lance truck campers. So like I was telling you the other day, we've got a bunch of these Lance truck campers in, so I should have quite a few videos coming out here soon. Not really the best day to be shooting a video. It's kind of gloomy, but it's not raining, so we're going to take full advantage of that. What we're going to be looking at today is the 2022 Lance 865. This is the first 2022 model 865 I've actually had on my lot. So we're going to be taking a look at it today. This one right here comes in weighing around 2,297 pounds dry with standard equipment and 2,615 pounds wet. So this one right here, Lance says, is rated for your 150 and 1500 series 6.5 foot bed trucks. I know a lot of 150s and 1500s don't have that payload capacity. Check your door jamb, make sure that you can haul this camper and it's, you know, meeting your weight ratings or whatever you want to call it. More desirable trucks going to be your 250 and 2500 series trucks and your 350 and 3500 single rear wheel 6.5 foot bed trucks. All right, now that we got that out of the way, everybody wants to know what these things cost. You're looking at about $45,566 starting MSRP, and then you can price them all the way up to about $56,000 for everybody that likes to spend a little bit of money. All right, I believe we're good to start walking around this beauty. So we'll start over here. We got all electric jacks around all four corners. These are the Happy Jack 4220s. They do have the manual override option. You flip that down, pop that cap off and get to cranking, or use the adapter that's supplied by Happy Jack to put in a drill. You still have to do the override there though. Next, we've got the 6-gallon water heater. All right, so this is going to be where you fill your potable water. This is going to be your fresh water tank fill. That is a total of 30 gallons, and you just put a garden hose in there and then fill her up, and it'll shoot out of here when it's full and out of here. 30 amp plug-in, and the new campers are supplied with their own 30 amp cord, so you don't have to supply that. Park and satellite connections, city water fill. When you're at the campsite, you can plug in your hose there and you don't have to do the tank. Underneath here we have our Blackwater flush connection. All of your campground connections are going to be on the driver's side, super easy to hook up to and all. And then the 865 for 2022 I guess swapped over to this black paneling, which I thought was cool, and all the black accents and new windows and new darker graphics. These are standard also. But anyways, moving on. Outdoor shower for all my freaks of nature that like to shower outside, and I'm not saying that's a bad thing. Got that. You can use it to hose off the dog, hose off your feet, whatever you want to use that for. Patio lights, they are either orange or white, so you can run them either way. There's your vent for the oven, stovetop. Moving around to the back, the manual rear awning is an option. That is not standard. You can choose to have that added. The side one, the side power awning, is now standard. Backup camera, that's also an additional option. Docking lights and patio lights are standard. This one is 4 seasons certified, although we don't have the sticker. The sticker doesn't mean it's 4 seasons. These campers right here have the heated basements, which if you're running the furnace on low or running the furnace at all, it's going to supply heat to the basement, heat all your holding tanks, water lines, all that good stuff. Before I get ahead of myself here, this is going to be your main dump station. All right, so you have your black and gray water. They all lead out that big pipe right there. And then you have your fresh water line, and then your cold and hot water drains. The gray water is going to be 14-gallon capacity, and the black water is 13-gallon capacity. then this is new for 22. These are the, I believe they're the torque lift glow steps, scissor step deal. Yeah, the torque lift scissor steps. Very cool addition, I like that. All right, over here I was all excited because I'm always asked if you can fit a generator in here for everybody that carries portable generators. Well, I'll let you decide that. I took the measurements for you. It's 20 inches in depth and then 15 inches here at the entry. So 20 by 15, and I forgot to measure the other way. 1 second. Got ahead of myself and forgot to actually take all the measurements. All right, 20 inches in depth, 27 across here, 20 inches at the opening, and 15 this way. All right, that should answer all your questions about if a generator will fit in there, one of your portable ones. Get the measurements off of, or the dimensions off of your generator, take that, and that should answer your question. Let's see, on the passenger side, what I call the campground side, you have the auto awning feature with the auto wind sensing. It'll roll itself back in if it gets too windy. Has the LED light strip at the end of it. I call these, like, you'll find out when we get inside, but those are the new speakers. It looks like a little bit more dimensional, I guess you could say. I don't really know how to explain that. They pop out more. How about that? This is what they designate as your sewer hose compartment, but if you look in there, it doesn't go back very deep and can't get the good ones in there. I've had customers tell me that they store their beer in there and their dog's poop bags. Probably don't want to forget about those. Might get the stinking. But let's see. Moving on, we got our propane door here. 120 pound tank, external propane connection. It'll just dangle out the bottom when you need to use it. Refrigerator service door, patio light, and let's see, external charging port, AC connections. I believe that's it, guys and girls. Give you a little look-see from this side and we'll go on in, or we'll go to the roof. Let's do that. All right, here we are on the roof of the 865. It is a fully walk-on roof. Looks like it's a one-piece polyvinyl chloride roof, and on these you actually have enough room to install the max air vents without anything in the way whatsoever. See, on mine, when I installed mine, mine's sitting like right here, right by the AC unit. It was a pain in the rear end to install, but these look like everything's out of the way, so that's nice. Go up front here. One solar panel on this one. You can get up to 2, and that's pretty much it. Ready to go inside. All right, so walking on in the camper, you see that this one is the Grayson interior. You have Grayson, Bronzite, and Lapis to choose from. Grayson's going to be like your light gray color. Bronzite's going to be kind of a brownish color, and then Lapis is like a midnight blue color. Over here to the right, you have all your like entry light there, external lights, left, right, and rear patio light, docking lights, and backup camera switch, and then your jack port for your electric remote, or your electric jack remote. All right, so in the camper here, you have the fold down bunk above the dinette. The dinette also makes into a bed. It is 32 by 72 inches once made into a bed, and it requires an additional piece right here. That's where we put that one. But what you would need to do is put that down there. I can actually do a video on this, but that's utilized into making that a bed. 32 by 72 inches. Your table here slides so you can gain more room back there in this U-shaped dinette, where you can position it out of the way. Once you move this out of the way, you can utilize this for more storage. You don't have to just use it as a bunk bed. Fantastic fan. day and night shades. There's your day shades and night shades. Okay, over here on the wall you have your thermostat for your AC unit. This is the new Coleman 11M that they're putting in the 22 models. It's all controlled over here on the wall. You have your controls for your awning, for the side awning there. Let's see, let's go to the bathroom over here. All right, so this is what they call a wet bath. It's where you get to shower and use the toilet at the same time. It's got its own like built-in bidet system here. But yeah, pretty roomy in here. Got a vent up there where you can let it air out, let some moisture out, and a little medicine cabinet. What separates this one from the 825 is the 825 does not have the integrated sink inside the bathroom area, but that does allow for a little bit larger bathroom. But the 865 has the sink integrated inside the bathroom, so you can brush your teeth and everything in here. Bathroom switch on the outside here. All right, moving on. Before we get to the kitchen, got yourself a closet here, and then you'll get your true weights on what your camper weighs. This one is 26.96 with the factory installed options, and take away 269 pounds to get your dry weight. Pull out drawer, 3-burner stove top, oven. Looks about big enough to put a Totino's pizza in there, or DiGiorno. Microwave, a little bit of storage beside the microwave. That's where your microwave plugs in. Control panel for your battery, freshwater tank, gray and black water. You can check the levels right here. Control your water pump. 6-gallon water heater on gas or electric. USB outlets with DC outlet. A radio that does not play Blu-ray. Not cool, man. But anyways, you can also lower this to add for a little bit more prep area, prep space. You have a little bit of space over here behind the sink, and I believe there's a plug-in. Yep, AC plug-in up there for your Keurig or Instapot, crock pot, whatever you use. All right, over here across from the kitchen is where your refrigerator is. This is a 3 cubic foot fridge with a little ice box up top. You can run this on gas, AC, or DC. DC will suck your batteries dead. Storage over here to the left of the fridge. Battery compartment with your main power shutoff switch there. Control panel. And then up top here, can't skip out on the key ring. I don't have any key. Oh, yeah, I do. Key ring. All right, above you've got your queen size mattress, and all your Lance campers, your mattress is going to be over the Cabover. They're all 60 by 80 inches, so they are true queen size. You got the swing out TV here. You can view it from the bed or from the dinette over here. Got a little bit of space over to the left where you can put your suitcases and stuff. We got our ceiling titties up here. That would be your speakers. And then reading lamps. A little bit of storage above the window here as well. All right, that was a overview of the inside here. Give you one more look over. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, that was a tour of the 2022 Lance 865, my first one to hit the lot. Again, they weigh around in the neighborhood of, let's see, 2,297 pounds standard weight and 2,615 pounds wet. So they say that these are made for 150 and 1500 series 6.5 foot bed trucks. probably don't have the payload or the weight rating for it, that's your call. You need to check in your door there, door jamb, and make sure that you got the truck to do the job. If you don't, just upgrade trucks. That easy. Just a little bit more money, right? They're really better for your 250, 3500, hang on, 250, 2500, or 350, 3500, single rear wheel, 6.5 to 6 3/4 bed trucks. Again, they start out at like 45,000 and some change on the retail side, and you can price them all the way up to 56 if you like to spend money. This one right here probably retails around that, probably around the 52, 53 mark. Might be a little off on that, but well, if you like what you saw, just hit that thumbs up button. Lets YouTube know that I might know what I'm talking about, might be enjoyable to watch. I believe it helps the algorithm or something like that. Comment if you have any questions. All my contact info will be in the description below. My name's Brad. I work over here at Chattanooga Fish and Fun. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and if for some reason you want to see another video from me, hit the notification bell, and that'll let you know when I post another video, which is probably going to be soon. Until next time, y'all take care, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.